All right, next up is bike security. Pretty much anything security, whether or not you've got bike or you've got anything that you want to lock up with a typical bike style lock. This is a smart lock with built-in alarm. It's called the NuLock. When I first got it, I kind of thought gadgety, gimmicky, not sure I like it. But you know what? I've grown to really love using this. The nice thing with this is this pairs with your smartphone over Bluetooth. You don't have to remember to bring a key with you. You don't have to worry about that. And it has a, I believe it's about a 31-inch braided steel cord with it. So it's nice and secure and it's going to be big enough to go around your bike. I am riding a Fat Wheel Smart Bike right now from Rad Power Bikes. Give me a review about that soon, but I've been using that with this, which seems like the perfect combination. Battery on it lasts about 8 months, and the app that is on your phone is going to give you notifications when that battery starts to get low. And it has an alarm. Even just vibration of moving the bike around is going to set that alarm off, and it's going to let you hear that someone's tampering with your bike. Come out, take a look, find out what's going on. This one came in, I believe, around 50 bucks. Which again is a fair price. A lot of times smart products like this tend to blow the price range right out of the park. This one stays pretty close to what a standard lock would cost for a bike. Gives you all the convenience of having that Bluetooth connectivity, being able to use your phone to lock and unlock it. If you have multiple locks with this, the one app can manage them all. So let's say you have 2 or 3 bikes you're going as a family, something like that. You've got a couple locks. You can lock up all your bikes and all your valuables and unlock them and lock them with your phone. NuLock.